Here I have a transition that has been applied to two different clips on my timeline. If I hover my mouse over the transition, we can see that we have a duration of 1 second. There are a couple of ways if you wish to increase the size of this or the length or duration. You can simply move your mouse to the right and just give it a little bit of a pull to the right, and you can see now when we let go that the transition will now have a longer lasting effect. So I'll just bring that down a little bit. You can also go the reverse way. The other way is to go up into your left-hand corner up here, and you can see here duration, and you can see now it's set here, and now you can take your mouse and just drag it along. You can pull it either left or right, as I'm doing now, and then let it go. And if you look down at the bottom again, you can see how large the duration is. If I go back up here to the left again, hold down my mouse and drag to the left and let go, and now we come down to our timeline, you can see how small or short the duration is. So there is a simple little tip, two different ways to change the transition time or duration on your timeline between two different clips.